Forget the dental offices of the past. We are here to change your perception of what your dental office can be. In our 2-day seminar, let's gain inspiration from retail design, from hospitality design, from color, from light, from texture, all to create the perfect space that you will want to practice in for the rest of your career. I think the benefit of attending these Build Your Future workshops is multifactorial. There are so many things to gain by understanding the construction process, by understanding the things to stay away from in design. And we elaborate on all of those items as we go through this 2-day workshop. What I enjoy most is being able to engage with dentists from all over the country in all different walks of life and practice. Being able to have an impact on those dentists on the way that they practice day in and day out is why I keep doing this. I've learned so much in interacting with dentists and designing hundreds of practices over the years, as well as designing my own practices. Just as important as choosing your dental team is choosing the right team to work with when you're going through this process. You've got to get the right contractor. You've got to get the right designer. You have to get the right equipment specialist. All behind you. These are people that you need to be able to trust. But what I found is the true enjoyment that I get from these workshops is being able to connect with people one-on-one, be able to share in their experience of creating that dental office, of being able to change the way that dentist practices every single day. It brings a lot of joy to my heart.